All right, blessed family, in this video, we're gonna show you exactly how you can catch over 218 pips with gold. With that being said, let's dive right in. All right, team, so take a look at this. This is a beautiful gold trade. We were able to actually catch over 218 pips in our favor. In fact, if you guys go back to my other live stream on Monday, you'll be able to see how I was able to actually pan this out. And I actually left it overnight and I said, hey guys, I left it live and price went exactly as expected, broke below these lows, and in fact, retested this high once more, actually a previous level supply, and capitulated when we woke up for New York session. Make sure you guys stick around to the end because I'm gonna show you exactly how to catch opportunities like these and how you can implement this in your trading. All right, guys, let's move on to our other gold chart and let's take a look. So what I saw is that we were also starting to create lower highs, okay? So point number one that I really noticed was that we were creating lower highs on gold, okay? And this was actually an area that was respected previously in the past as a level of resistance, okay? But most important out of anything, we know that we always want to understand what the overall direction of the market. What is the market telling us? Where is the market heading, right? We want to focus on that. So this is why we always want to look at the higher time frames. And I knew that overall, we saw that we were respecting this area of structure. So this was a high area high that I noticed, and this was an area low that I noticed, okay? So if we go down to the 4-hour time frame, okay, we can notice that what? We were stuck in a range, okay? So that was pretty clear. Now, one of the things as well that we do need to keep in mind, none of this existed. So the way I saw it was like this, right? So we had what? We had clean traffic over here on the left, guys. So pay close attention to this. We had clean traffic on the left. So that meant to me, okay, I'm gonna look for this area, okay? This right here, this range that price was currently at. So it was a smaller range at these highs, okay? We're at the top of a range. And what I wanna see is a break of this range to the downside. So some people might say, hey, we got a strong momentum. It's ranging. It's gonna continue to go higher. Yes and no. I mean, we need to see it as a different perspective. We're at the highs of the range on the higher time frame. So if we look back, look at this. It's just ranging sideways, right? Look at our 200 moving average. What is the 200 moving average doing, guys? Look at this. It's just moving in a straight line like this. So that tells me that the market's still undecided and it's just stuck in this range. So I said to myself, I said, listen, I'm going to look for sells once price breaks below this area. So pay close attention to this, team. Right? We want to make sure that we stick to our trading plan. Sometimes a lot of people, they just go with the impulse and they see one bearish candle close and it's engulfing and they're like, oh, okay, yeah, we're going on sells. No, you got to be careful and understand that, hey, this is the lows, and you stand your ground and you say, well, it could go down lower, even though look at these previous wicks over here, guys, right? It created wicks over here. It could go down lower, right? And create a huge wick, but it could also push back up. The body could push back up, right? The bulls may come back and take control and push price back up. And then it just completely fakes you out or it hits your stop loss, right? So this is why it's important and crucial to understand that when we are looking for price to break outside of a range, we need to wait for what, team? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think we need to wait for? I want to see the comments, guys, and see what you guys actually do put, but it is a closure below outside of the range. I know that this isn't a live stream, but I really want to connect with you guys. I want to connect with you and help you with your trading. I know what it feels like to be stuck. I know what it feels like to be stuck in the same position. I know what it feels like to struggle with finding the right entries and feeling like, is this the right entry? Am I doing the right thing? I don't want the market to go against me, right? There's so many things that come to your head that makes you hesitate only to find out that price actually ends up going in your favor, right? So trust me, it happens to a lot of traders more often than not. But the best way to avoid this, and like I said, is actually sticking to your plan and saying, okay, this is a low here. This is the previous low wick here. I want a closure below it. And that's what I waited for. I literally went down the smaller time frames and I said, I'm looking for sell setups once we break below this area. And my next kind of target area would be kind of around these lows over here. And I think it was going to go down to this low here, but I put it like around here. Long story short, pay close attention, guys, because I'm really getting into where you're able to get these type of trades, right? So if we play this out, I'll show you exactly what happened. If we play this out, right, price kind of range, perfect, cool. Okay. Well, no, not yet. Do you see that? Do you see how it respects this line over here, guys, right? Look at this line, still hasn't broken it, right? What happened here? What time was this? This was 5 in the morning. Okay, still ranging. Oh, we got the break. Look at this. This 30-minute candle close right here. This is when I told you guys, okay, this is a beauty sell here, and we got in. We caught over 218 pips. If you look at over here, 218, boom, to the T. And I think we did like 35 pips stop or something like that. I think it was 35. So we'll do right there, 35. Okay, 36. Sorry. it's hard for me to do here. Now let's see what happens, guys. Pay close attention to this. This was this beautiful gold trade. It was absolutely free. I shared it free on the live stream, okay? Because I want to be able to provide value with you guys in this channel. I want you guys to know that this is a community you can count on. So maybe it's your first time watching, whatever it is, I want you to know that if you're struggling, you'll get through this. Trust me, just stick to your trading plan, study, watch the videos, make sure you watch videos like these to the very end. I have lots of other videos that you can watch over. If you click on my videos tab, you'll be able to see most popular uploads, and there's an entire playlist that you can go over and study, guys. We also do live streams, so take advantage of that as well. Okay, let's play this out and see what ended up happening here. So we had a break on that 30-minute candle. That was my confirmation. We had a beautiful retest, and then let's see what ended up happening with gold. So let's play this out. Look at that. Price retested it a couple times. Oh, right there. Boom, boom. Retested it again. Oh, and capitulation. So look at that. To the T at this point. I think I had it a little bit higher. Maybe I had a 4. I think it was 40 pips. Either way, you guys can see it. It's all on the live stream. Long story short, look at this. Literally to the pip right over there, but it capitulated to the downside over 218 pips, guys. Great example. And if you notice this, why do you think, pay close attention, team, why do you think we had the impulse here, right, which gave us a huge impulse to the downside? So this level of supply, why do you think price came back up to this level of supply? More often than not, especially when price is going in this direction, more often than not, price will fake out a lot of people because they think that, hey, you know what, this is the previous level of support, this is resistance, we're going on sells here, and then boom, hits their stop loss, and then it ends up going in their favor. Price will tend to do that. So keep an eye on that. You'll notice how this happens more often than not. This is something that you have to be careful, right? So this is why it's important, especially to manage your risk, do lower lot size, expand your stop loss a little bit more, especially with gold. That way you can avoid stuff like this from happening. I think our entry was a little bit higher. Anyways, you guys could see here on the other gold chart, you'll see it right there. There we go. Our entry was higher. It was like around this area here. I got in a little bit more aggressively, but you guys get the point. Especially after this rejection here at this high, that's when I was confirmed that I was like, you know what? It's rejecting this high. We rejected it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That was my confirmation. I think I got in at this candle, which you can see the entry there. And yeah, I was a 39 pip stop loss. Look at my stop loss, right? That's why that wick didn't affect anything. Long story short, look at this beautiful trade setup, guys. Over 218 pips in our favor. What am I trying to tell you is that we understood that there was clean traffic on the left-hand side. We understood that we were stuck in this range. And we understood that we had to be patient and wait for that entry confirmation. Manage our risk and look at what price did. Guys, if you want to be able to take advantage of the markets like this, you want to be able to learn like this, make sure you're also connected to our free Telegram group, guys. The link is in the video description below. It's absolutely free to join. Also, make sure you guys check out my VIP inner circle. If you want to join in my VIP, guys, the link is in the video description below. Make sure you have Telegram downloaded, guys, and join the family. Thank you so much, guys. Make sure if you enjoyed this video, leave a comment below. Make sure you smash that like button and share this video to someone else that would be blessed with this video, guys. So thank you so much, guys, and I'll catch you guys until next time. Bye for now.